COP30 is happening at the heart of the Amazon. This is the moment for governments to lead with nature, making sure that they are taking measures to protect, manage, and restore the ecosystems that can help achieve a safe climate future. Nature-based solutions can make a significant contribution to climate goals, particularly in oceans, forests, and agriculture. But we must break out of silos to deliver policies that align nature and climate goals together. It's time to turn words into action so nature-based solutions can become a reality. That means commitments backed with clear funding and implementation deadlines. Because when nature guides, progress lasts.